Big up Crosses TV.
Right now, Cross is a good thing. Me not like Crosses TV, turn Crosses in a good something. Yeah.
And that,
When I
that
did not that shit blood clot, where?
you cute and girly.
When I did not that shit, I eat blood clot charge me to get.
Oh, I
Eat.
some more time.
When I did that shit, cheese.
Hold on. Never do this to me. Don't play me in some blood. Don't come about this tonight. Don't cut me off, please. Pinky tickle. Me
Yeah.
and my nobody and nobody can hold me down, man.
When I did not that shit, a blood clot,
Yeah,
come
call
in
it
blood clot.
life in a it.
Right. Get it. Cheers. Cheers.
Right there, sir. Cheers. Boom. To the hardworking bumbo-clad people them around here, sir. Oh,
Yes. When I did not that shit, a blood clot.
that mean
I
no.
something you basking in happiness, just bask and a cure a blood
Oh, you
clot.
mean that's why some people when them see me I enjoy myself, them say me hype, them only even under
Get
blood
this.
clots, man.
Me get the same problem too, but that's how it go.
Oh, that's why I don't do it often, because I don't want them kill me, because them is very bad man. Even if they smile brighter than for them when I laugh and the gun like a joke as well. Them hurt for that. I don't know why people is like that.
Right now, I sit with Charles, King Charles.
Yeah. Murder!
Me got sit, girl. Me got sit with King Charles.
That is it.
Yeah.
Good.
Let me tell you something, cheese.
Let me feel those type of way, Pinky. I don't put them there.
I'm gonna tell you something. Don't feel less of a person, cause everybody out there do the same thing.
Everybody.
Yeah.
Pinky, you want me say? Everybody and their mother.
Everybody out there do
Come
the
to the
same.
girl them where you see nice in them work and them feel stay so. Them are going to drop things in them bag to me now ask.
Trust
Tell
me,
me, tell you that.
cheese.
Enough
Come
time we step on the road and we see them. And when we see them, blood clot, you can't believe that you're that kid.
Them do it too. Come, cheese. Me used to do it. Me used to blood clot do it. I caused my deportation. Me used to do it, cheese. Hard body. It was my survival. It was my survival. When I did not blood clot, that shit.
That you know.
I have to live. I have to survive. And when the best thing I'm feel, you're basking in happiness and you do the things that you feel you just want with yourself.
Oh, you mean?
Cause that me at the blood clot right now. Yeah.
Oh, you mean?
That me at the right now. I'll be at the last land.
I'm doing the right thing.
Can I know when I'm perfect in a cheese?
No man is.
No, you know when I'm perfect a blood clot. I'm gonna get a new lease on life. I'm gonna work with it. I'm grateful. No man not perfect. So cheese, don't feel blood clotless. You big one and blood clotmatic. Go to a situation. Me and blood clot Shamar go get no problem.
I look at Shamar now.
Thank you.
Oh,
Me and Shamar go get no blood clot problem.
And guess what? Everybody live them life for them love. You see me? And if you love it, you live it. If you don't love it, you move on to something else. I can't tell you what to do. You get me? But I have to do what I have to do. And people, me know someone and say I may stuck over so and me look like that one come do. You can't wait for it. You can't go and wait for it because me know what me I do.
Me wait for mine.
Yeah, me not gonna explain nothing over here. Say,
yeah, man, don't do that.
No, man, I'm just asking a question. You hear what one?
Me know what one.
Okay, all right.
Me know what
one. After here with that.
Me text you.
That before.
Me text you. Sister, me text you.
That before. The last before that little person.
Me text you.
They take up
sister. Me
text you. Don't fight before.
But look, you know, me inbox you.
Oh, you know what, DM?
Yeah, me did.
Oh. Let's see it. 2 minutes.
Cheese, none of them perfect. All over for blood clot live. All over for blood clot. Look it. All over for
little bit.
all over for the blood clot things them. None of them are perfect.
You know, man, them dirty drunk, they can't make me feel no way. Them can't make me feel no way, Pinky, right now. I talk it after the year when me go call you one time, me come off first, man.
I mean, I talk. Be the man when I like to be the man.
Why?
I can't find it that I could choose. I feel like 2.
Right. 2 being it. 2. Oh, be the
No, I
man.
can't find it.
You have the big one.
You have to be the man.
You have the big one, man.
She's gonna tell you something. The road of a blood clot take on. A whole heap of time I take on the blood clot road. A whole heap of time. Blood clot, I have to live. I have to survive. I have to maintain our blood clot habit. Big up yourself, my daughter. We have a blood clot. We have to maintain our habit, cheese. Until we find ourselves, we make better our blood clot self. And anytime the best happen to it, we're busting our apples because we know where our blood clot come from.
Right, so after it somewhere.
Yeah.
Pinky, you know them not let me feel no way, you know what me feel that way about? Oh, them little stinking with that side there. I don't know why. I know it's looking content and that is what y'all do. But like, why you not have to do that? When you tear down people more than everything else, yeah, me know I'm cuss people and tear them down too. But Judgment Patrol, you're not better than nobody. Can I beg your company internet?
What's that?
Judgment Patrol, one dirty person, one dirty body.
I don't even know what's that to them because me post up my blood clot
put up
passport.
everybody, them in everybody business, them put up all them friends.
I post up my passport and it was a blood clot problem. I said, I throw shade. I'm a fan of my passport. I'm use my passport. I'm fan of my blood clot. Them say, I throw shade. I'm going to say, anybody blood clot, do the things them to make me, I lock them up. What a problem.
Of course. Then I must let
I won.
Yeah,
I follow the laws of the land. And what a problem. I keep myself out of arms, blood clot. What the problem?
Oh no, honestly, I don't know. The people them gonna always have problem with people when them say it makes sense. You know why? If me even at tear on the place, you know me not go fuck a shop. Me go tear on the place.
You know the
nice things I go
good things them.
Yeah. The blood clot, these people when I say too much, little bit good for the years can not too much.
Me not look for the people them because me not look for the people them because all me know them can do is just blood clot talk.
That's it.
That's all me know them can do. And them can just bring me down and kick and say, me not really blood clot care. Cause she say me say everybody blood clot say. And they bring me down. Everybody bring me down just like I'm gonna bring down everybody else.
Right, of course.
I start go.
Bring down them recipes, right? Bring down the melon soul. Yeah.
Cheese, don't feel. Cheese,
don't feel no way.
Don't feel no way. Don't feel it.
The dirty phone I got, this the iPad I got dead. It a charge now and it still not go up. I come down.
Cheese.
I'm the live no, the live them after active. What is
I can't say something to you, Cheese?
Yeah.
I live in America all long. I get deported.
Yeah.
And look at me. This is a problem.
Okay. The book. The BOOK. Jesus, Pinky, I forgot lend me a book. I'm going to do my body.
I'm just a boss. I'm going to do myself.
I'm going to make you call me name work. I'm going to do my body. You're going to do blood clot, buddy.
Anything you feel like for blood clot, though. Anything you feel like for the cheese, they do it. I make you blood clot happy.
That me know.
You can't worry about the naysayers them. Cause 3/4 of them could have answered me a blood clot.
And them now make no sense. You see one them we have the most mouth, them are the empty slots. Can't deal with that, man.
These we can say something to you?
Yeah.
New levels come new devils.
Of course.
New
So true.
levels come, new
New
devils.
devil. It's so
More!
true.
Aya!
Yeah.
Move! Blood
Everyone
clot.
is Lego now. Oh.
New levels come, new devils.
Right.
Judgment Patrol away there.
Eh?
Can I get?
Where's
May I say Judgment Patrol? Where Judgment Patrol? If you get this,
Judgment Patrol knows if them show up, them are gonna get. They know them can't show up. This black them.
then I screenshot this. Judgment Patrol, new levels come, new devils. Yeah, rebuke your blood clot.
Yeah. Yeah. What that? Put a by your blood clot, dirty people.
Make us sit with Charles with tea.
You know the man not like go on so. Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't ever talk to you. Read.
Eh?
Don't ever talk to you.
So them say, you know the man not like you go. Boy, the man, I just said the beating 12 sorry. Right now, my
Really.
right now, 12 my buzz out in my blood clot. I'm feel happy in my blood clot self. I'm
Of course, that's
feel
how I
good.
feel too. I'm up in a blood clot. I'm be there road and them never send out no mug shot with me. I bet me couldn't get nothing for rub out. I bet me couldn't get nothing for post. The government say no suck too much old.
And a lot of people, people in blood clot prosper.
Work.
Lot of
Because
people.
if we don't work, the police them not work.
Mm-hmm.
That's true.
Lord, them their blood clot prosper. And a lot of people them blood clot prosper. And a lot of people them be. Cause me was them before. And a go.
Everybody have to come over here and get a touch of liquor, everything. All when I'm from ancient days, man, not in a blood clot. We still come scrape with a little bit. Well, if me not ask, guys.
A woolly if I couch me sleep on this blood clot. Woolly. I'ma make it be blood clot new and grateful.
Watch me. The police boy good at watch me.
The
Now
police
see man where blood clot lock me up today. So good boy. You know say all weed. I never know say Pennsylvania you can't smoke weed in illegal.
cheese. Me never want to tell you about Pennsylvania. Me say cheese. A Pennsylvania deport me. Girl, a Pennsylvania deport me.
Here, Pinky.
Me say the same blood clot. It's the same prison we're back under the Berks County.
Oh, I bet you.
That's where me get deported from.
I'm gonna tell you this. We in there every minute. I say call. Come here.
Me not ask you.
And when I call, I say we don't want them. We don't want people like them.
The same prison
You
me
hear? I literally was on the fucking phone and it's a fucking loudspeaker and we the right in front. We had the cell with the right in front the desk. I said we don't want people like them.
But people don't understand now. People don't understand now. Pennsylvania law different. It's a Commonwealth state.
Yeah, and we never know.
It's a Commonwealth state.
It's
The Commonwealth state. And the people don't know that. Pennsylvania will get you out fast. And this time get deported from. This Berks County. Right a blood clot Berks County with
then pick you up there.
Watch it. Me get
You're going
no.
to do the sentence. You're the sentence.
Girl. Military hard sentence. 15 days of Rikers Island. And then they ship me to blood clot Berks County. 15 days. That's how I do.
That's so very terrible.
Yeah.
Say Pinky. Bad real tears. It's just all that.
Pennsylvania is a terrible state and people don't know that.
You see, if me did get catch a thief or something, I wouldn't feel so bad. But how it happened, actually, I don't even know.
Let me tell you something, cheese. It happened and it gone. You have a freedom. You're grateful. And I saw it go. You learn from your mistakes, sister. I saw it go. You understand? What is that? What is the sister?
Too forward.
What is the sister?
Yeah.
It's gone. No. I'll never do on fix yourself and make it right. Oh no,
Yes, in the too coward. Anything that Where said Pinky?
Just fix on yourself, that's all. All you want on your rap sheet is a dissolve the conduct. That's all. You just want to dissolve the conduct. So you fight, because I never catch you in the store thief. What go down, it go down. You understand? So if you use the money to get a good liar, if you still look here now, dissolve the conduct. Go on, it got me and it gone. But the beauty about it on the outside. You understand? And I saw it go. No questions asked, no problem. Fix on yourself. That's all. The problem is that.
Exactly.
I saw it go.
To a man, you know.
I saw as simple as it go. A Pennsylvania, them carry me to blood clot, them carry me got Burke's going to, and them carry me got Burke's going to the blood clot, and after that, them carry me got York County. You know, understand when me blood clot go through cheese, and that's why me go on and fund my book and feel how me feel and talk how me talk. I mean, know my blood clot go through.
Start fretting.
Fret not, let your heart not be troubled by child, because God got you covered. Not do that. You fix yourself. It's okay. You just know what I'm saying? A Pennsylvania is a Commonwealth state, you get a lawyer. And
the judge have to get one.
Yeah, because the least thing you want is a disorderly conduct. That's all you want, a disorderly conduct. That's all you want. And people don't understand that. That's all you want. You want a disorderly conduct.
The bumper swelling on my head. You can when we are when we are stressed desire.
Right, as long as you don't have a felony, you're good. You don't have a felony, you're good. Pennsylvania get me out fast, the blood clot. And geez, I made the first Batman file for asylum back in the 98 to blood clot, and the judge looked at me and tell me, said, me a Batman, or me a good Batman, what fuck. Cheers! Cheers, the Judge Walter Darling looked at me and tell me, say, him understand my statement, him see my application, and him find everything credible, but him just don't believe me a Batman. So why me know as me have that blue blood clot book here? Me not supposed to feel the way I feel.
I have to feel how you feel.
Go on.
That's true.
I'm see people coming with blood clot envelope. I'm never bad man them, I'm never care.
Why pick him a call for this camera pre? You could tell me say Pennsylvania blood clot send you home?
Jeez, a Pennsylvania, I'm go and the same judge would deny me back in the 98, grant me back my blood clot asylum in 2013. So I'm not supposed to go on and go on cheese.
Of course.
What's the main title to? Me never seen a Batman really. I straight me say blood clot sorry sister I'm liquor. I say blood clot Carmelita Williams. I straight to man they have my back. So I'm not supposed to go on, I'm going to go on and feel how I feel.
Of course.
Tell me the truth, not cheese. Never sit with Charles Darb tea. Yeah. Me never bad mind a blood clot, girl. All of my friend them, when I look at them situation and things like that, I try to tell them the right thing, because I know the law. I know it. I read up a lot. I want to Pinky never do is waste our time and send me go to school. I read what I'm supposed to read. I'm avoid what I'm supposed to blood clot avoid. Jeez, I mean about to tell you nothing blood clot different.
That's the first me I get in a trouble here, so me don't know.
And I saw it go. In America, when you had the blood clot road, it come with bump scratches and bruises.
True.
None of when a blood clot perfect. Come on, was the blood clot hardest shoplifter. Hard. Come on, my goal was to make 1,000 like every blood clot week. And that's why to this day, I'm not the hustle. That's why to this day, I'm not the hustle. I'm not knock it. I'm not care. Because I still buy from the blood clot girl them and the boy them are out there. I dig it. I'm going to watch this and I'm say that I'm going to pay them. If it's too much of me, I'm say, Lord, get terrible. So, I mean, I'm going to get to my want, I'm going to keep it moving. You see me I say? So I'm not the awesome. Me just know say within myself, cheese, me can't do it no more. Me can't do it no more. Because the moment, even when I walk in a store to blood clot, I'm going to buy it to blood clot, man. Never this region from me, my poop shit.
You're there.
My poop shit for sure. Because you know what I used to do. You understand? But it feels good for walk to the store without no problem and no provocation.
If me get catch in one store, I swear I wanna feel like how I feel. Me I tell the truth. You see, me get catch in one store, a thief, or have nobody thieving things, me would understand you would forget my finger bumper, blood clot, print. Yo, what you know in the youth? I'm not stressed about it still, you know.
Watch this now.
Guys.
Listen, it happened and everything is a lesson learned. You can't dwell upon the past because guess what? You're here.
I not dwell, but you see when I sit down and I press my life, you know. When I press my life, come and hold a little meds for kind of try erase some feelings or my feelings in me. Because yo, I don't feel good. Because you know when you're in the wrong place, like I just the wrong place. Like I just the wrong place. Boy.
It happened. Wrong place, wrong time to blood clot. Sometimes some things happen to me to blood clot. All I can do is say, all right.
The future where I said, oh, could I wait there? Go the next way.
Cheese. I can say to your sister.
Hey, girl, lovely lady for life. Go suck your mother and
No,
for life. Suck her.
cheese, cheese.
I go black her. I go black her because she attack. When she ask me, me give do forget catch. Hey, girl, go name out her blood clot, mother, so good, girl.
Let your heart not be troubled, cheese. You mad?
Yeah, for black her, she in my life, you help me build them, bitch. So ask me no question, man.
Let your heart not be troubled, cheese. I eat blood clot charge. I tell you, cheese, I tell you, I have crack charge.
Yeah, drop dog. That dog, you know, say I don't eat nothing at all. For about 2 days now.
You feel how you feel on a sort go. Listen to my cheese. The people cheese, people that understand the law of the land. And you have to be ahead of the law of the land. Because if you're not ahead of the law of the land, you'll be railroaded. Alright?